Giselle, I heard you need help with motor conversions.
Yes.
Is it true? Okay, let's do it. Hey, when I was driving over here, did you see that crazy driver? Like
Yeah.
we were on military
He almost
highway.
crashed.
I know, right? It was so. Oh, bro. Ah. And when the state troopers need to be there, they're not there. All right. Anyway, the new piece we got for UIL. Did you get it
Yeah.
during rehearsal today for band?
Yeah.
It's Slovakia. What is it?
Slavinskaya.
Slavinskaya. Yeah. Okay, let me teach you about it. So we need a periodic table for this, right?
Yes.
All right. Oh, sorry. Okay. So molar conversion. There's two types. There's mole over mass, and number two, mass over mole. So mole and mass, number of moles of the given. The equation for this will be open parentheses with the division sign, MW given over 1 mole given. So let me do an example for you real quick. So 0.80 mole, you gotta put the mole, and H2O. So now there's gonna be a question mark under 0.80, a G, and you gotta write H2O again. So now we have to use the equation, right? So it will be open parentheses, division sign. Now, mole given, the way we get the mole given, you put H, then you put the O. So how many H's do you have? You
Two.
have 2. So 2 times, and then we go and we find hydrogen and the mass. So it's 1, right? So 2 times 1, 2. Okay. Oxygen, how many oxygens do we have?
1.
1. And what's the mass of the oxygen?
16.
16, right? We gotta double check. 16. So 1 times 16,
16.
16. 16. And now we we add what we get. So 16 plus 2?
18.
18. So now what we do,
The molecular weight.
the molecular weight equals 18 over mole. So now we replace the molecular weight with 18, then we do the given. So it will be H2O. Alright? And then it's 1 mole. And you have to write it again, right? What's given? H2O. So now, this way, we multiply, and over here, we divide. So we have to multiply this and divide that. So we're gonna multiply 0.80 multiplied by 18. Now I like taking out my calculator here because I kind of suck at math. So 0.80 times 18 will give us 14.4.
So it goes on top.
14.4. It goes on top, right? And we cancel this out. There we go. Now what we do is we divide 14.4 divided by 1. So all you have to do is divide by 1, and your answer would be 14.4 H2O. So you have two answers: the
And that's how you
molecular
get the
weight
mass.
and this.
The mass.
And that's how you get mole over mass. Now there's another one, mass over mole. Okay, so let's do that one real quick. You have a charger?
No.
I have 21%. Let me take off my keys. All right. I'm thinking an easy way how I can
Mass
teach
to
it.
mole.
Yeah, I know. Mass to mole. Oh, there's so many kids here with their state shirt. Okay. Mass over mole, number of grams of the given. All right. So let's do it. Let me give you an example. So 250 G. So H2SO4. Now there's a question mark under 250 mole. You can't forget the mole. And then you write it again, HSO4. Now the equation for this one would be parentheses with a division. So we have to write 1 mole. So in the other one, the 1 mole was under. This one, the 1 mole is on top. 1 mole. The given. What's the given?
H2SO4.
H2SO4. That's the given. Now the molecular weight. The way we get that is the same thing as we did. So HSO. So how many H's do we have?
2.
So H times, 2, yeah. 2 times what?
1.
Equals 2. How many S's do we have?
1.
1 times.
32.
So, but we have to, double check,
Double
double
check.
check. So S, 32. 32 times 1? 32. 32. You kind of were thinking about that. Okay, oxygen. How many oxygens do we have?
4.
4 times?
16.
We gotta double check, we gotta check. 16. Got that. 16. Alright.
64.
64. Yeah, 64. Now we gotta take our calculator here.
You gotta check the calculator.
Yeah, gotta check it. Plus 32 plus 64 is 98. So our molecular weight is equals 98
Grams per
mole. You can't forget the mole. Alright, so now we put it under, so it's 98 G, and then we write the given, H2SO4. Now, remember, we have to multiply, and then we have to divide. So, we multiply 250 times 1, which
250.
is 250. Alright, now 250 divided by 98, let's take out my calculator there. So, 250 divided by 98, it's 2.55. So equals 2.55, and then we write mole and we write the given, which is H2SO4, and that's how you get both moles. Now I'm going to give you 2 other examples, and you're going to do them, and you have any questions you can ask.
Okay.
Alright, here's a periodic table. Alright, so I'm going to give you, where is it? Where are they? Oh, here they are. Alright. So, we need paper. Let me get paper. Can I? Wait, no. Wait, let me see. Yeah, let me get paper. Alright, cool stuff. Alright. Remember, if you have any questions, let me know. You can always look back to your notes to double check.
Well, you have to give me the example.
Yeah, but the periodic table here and the examples are here.
Give me the example.
Yeah, here you go.
You gotta give me the example. Give me the example.
Oh, okay. Here I go. So example, I'm gonna give you. It's gonna be. This one's gonna be mass over mole. So it's 90 G. You can't forget the mole. Always remember that, and then you just rewrite it. That's a 6, okay? Not a 4. Alright, there you go. Remember, had any questions?
I'm just gonna verbalize what I'm doing.
Okay.
That goes there.
Yes, the open parentheses.
Then the division.
The division sign, the close
Then you
parentheses. Okay.
The given.
The given, which is?
C6H12 for
What?
8.
C6H12.
C6H12O6.
Okay, write them.
There. No, 1 mole goes on top because
Yeah,
it's
that's obvious. Yeah, the 1 mole
mass
goes on
to
top.
mole.
Yeah,
So it's 1 mole.
1 mole over the given.
For C6H12O6. Then you find the molecular weight.
We got you
Find the
got.
molecular weight.
That's fine. So C, how many C's do we? Okay, 6. Okay, 12. Got it. Remember, use the periodic table. Double check.
yeah.
Double check. Double check.
Okay. So the mass of carbon is 12, so I put carbon there, right?
Yes, correct.
And then I multiply. I need a calculator.
Oh no! Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Here you go. There.
72. And then 12. And now 16 is 96. Okay, so the molecular weight.
You have to add them now.
Oh yeah,
Here's the calculator.
180.
Oh yeah, 180.
The molecular weight is 180
180.
grams per
And
mole.
now what do you write after
So
that?
at the bottom,
Mhm.
I write 180 grams per mole.
Four more.
Oh no.
Yeah. The
Grams
given. You can't
for
forget
the
the given. The
given.
given. Yeah. Now what? So you have to multiply,
So the grams cancel.
divide. Correct. They do
This
cancel.
cancel. This cancels.
Yeah.
I multiply across
Yeah.
and divide down.
Correct.
Right? Okay.
So 90 times 1.
So it's 90
90. Then
divided by 180.
yeah. Here's the calculator.
0.5. So the answer is 0.5 moles of C6H12O6.
That is correct.
Right?
You are correct.
Okay, I know. I'm correct.
Okay. Now the other example. All right. Example number 2. Example.
It's from mole to mass.
Mole
correct?
to mass. Correct. Yeah. Mole to
Cool.
mass. You're getting these very. It's very easy.
Yes.
All you have to do is follow the steps.
Papitas.
Yeah. You have to follow the steps and your periodic table and Kappa calculator. That's basically it. When I first started learning this, the thing that always got me was the molecular weight. You know, because sometimes people don't round it properly, and you know that happens. But you're doing a good job, so I'm not
I know.
worried about
I'm
that.
doing great.
Yeah,
Thanks.
you're doing amazing. Okay. So our next equation. So, how's band?
Great.
You ready for Saturday for our region?
Yep.
Yeah, me
Nope.
too. No?
Nope.
Why?
I want to quit.
You wanna quit?
Okay. No. What?
I'm ready. All right. Let's see what you got.
Okay. Parentheses.
Yeah, correct.
Division.
You gotta put a division. Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. So now this time the mole goes at the bottom
Mhm.
because it's multi-given.
Correct.
Or mass. H2SO4.
Yeah, you put the given.
Yes.
Now what you have to do?
Now you find the molecular
Molecular weight. How do you do
so
that?
It's
How do you
hydrogen
find it?
multiplying the amount of atoms and the mass.
Correct. You know, just double checking. Just double checking. Remember, you gotta check your calculations. It's always
yeah,
very
yeah.
important to check your calculations. Never, I don't like trusting myself a lot.
2 times 1.
Two.
two.
All right, you got that. All right.
32 times 1.
32.
32.
There we go. 4 times
16.
What? 64. There we go. 64. Now you gotta add them up.
Okay,
So
now I gotta add
2
them.
plus 32 plus 64.
Oh, 98.
Oh, there we go. 98.
Okay. And then now I put the.
Now you gotta, yeah, you
I
gotta
put
put
the
it.
molecular
And
weight
what
on
do you
top.
put after that? The given.
Grams and the given.
The given.
So it's
Yes.
H2SO4. Now the moles cancel.
Yes, yes. Now remember. Now everybody messes up on this step, and you're doing amazing. Just making sure you understand. You know, it's very important to understand. You know. So. All right. So it's always important.
Yes,
Alright.
of course.
So remember, multiplication, then division. You gotta multiply when you go over here.
Because everybody messes up on
Yes, but you're doing.
Nobody multiplies.
You're doing good. You're doing good. So 0.5 times 98.
Yes.
Now you gotta use the calculator. You gotta use it. Remember, take your time. Take your time. There's no rush. Remember. Yeah.
I need to.
Sorry about that.
It equals 49.
49. All right. Now you gotta eliminate. You gotta cancel that 98.
Yeah.
All right. Now that the 49 replaces the 98. Very important for you to remember that. If
Yes.
not, everything's messed up.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, 49 divided by 1.
Oof. I don't know that.
Yeah, you
I gotta check.
you
Wait, hold
gotta
on. I
double
gotta check.
check.
Wait, hold on.
This is algebra 2 stuff.
Oh wait, I typed it in wrong.
Yeah.
I gotta type it in again.
You know, take your time. There's no rush.
I think it's 49.
Huh?
I think. I'm not sure.
You think it's 29?
Yeah.
Let me check for you. Just let me double check. So 49. Wait, I messed up. Okay. 49 divided by 1. Wait, what? 49 divided by 1. 49, there we go.
It's 49.
49, you got that
Yeah.
right. Okay, so now what do you write? So you write 49,
Yeah.
but what do you add next to that 49? And remember, go slow. You don't have to rush it. You know?
I don't know.
Okay. So, good that you're asking questions. So, 49.
Yeah.
Right? 49. So,
So what goes after it? Because like there's still this and this. So like
yeah.
what's there?
So, we gotta put the given now.
But what
And-
goes before that? There's still that, and I don't know.
Oh,
what to
this,
say.
you already worked this out. So,
Ah.
you don't have to worry about that. You already canceled it right here. Alright?
Ah.
Yeah, you did. So, now it's G. What does the G mean again?
I don't know.
No worries. Means grams over.
No.
Yeah.
No. No, right? No.
And you put the given.
Teacher, I think you're wrong. Isn't it 49?
It is 49.
Yeah. And then what goes after grams, right?
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Grams.
And then what goes after?
Why did you think I was wrong? I put 49 and then I said grams and you're like, I'm wrong.
Oh,
No
Sorry.
worries. No worries. No worries. No worries. No worries. You're paying for dinner.
yes. Oh.
Okay. So now you gotta put the given.
What's the given?
Okay.
Is
So
it
what?
mole?
Okay.
Is it moles? Is it grams? I don't know.
It's
What's
grams.
the given?
It's grams. It's
It's
grams.
grams?
No, no, no,
but
no,
that's
no,
already
no,
the
no.
grams.
Yeah, that's why. That's why you already put it, right?
Oh, okay.
So now you gotta put. What are these called?
Elements.
Elements. So
I don't know.
it's H. How many H's do you have?
2.
2. S.
16. Oh, wait.
What? 16? No, it's S.
1.
1. How many oxygens do you have? Remember, take your time. There's no rush. Take your time. Take your time.
4.
Let me double check for you. Are you positive about that?
Yep.
All right, 4. And this would be your answer.
Why wouldn't it be the molecular?
No, it's also this one. It's also this.
So there's 2.
There's 2 answers. Correct. There's 2. The molecular wave and this. So the molecular is very important because without the molecular wave, you can't get this.
Yeah.
How do you get the molecular wave? By multiplying. What do you multiply?
The given?
The given by?
Wait.
Yeah, because
Ah.
the oxygen had 1
By the mass.
by the mass of
Yes.
the element.
The element.
So yeah, then you put the mass of the element and you multiply it. Then you add them, and that's how you get your sum. Your sum, you replace it with
Yeah.
a molecular mass, right? So it's pretty simple,
Yes.
right? Self-explanatory. You have any questions?
No.
Any questions? You
No.
good?
Yeah.
All right.
Great.
So you know, yeah. That's basically it.
But do 100. You should give me a different example.
Oh, you want a different example?
Yes.
Oh, no
Because I
worries.
need to get it.
Oh, no, okay. This would be our last example.
Yes.
Next example, let me write it down for you. all right. 100G?
Yes.
So remember, you always have to look at that mole,
Yeah.
where it is.
You can't forget.
You can't forget.
Mole.
The semester exam is gonna happen. Yeah.
So
All right. Remember
we have 100 grams.
your periodic table, your calculator.
So we have 100 grams.
Yeah, we have 100 grams.
The parentheses division there.
Correct. Doing right. You're doing right so far. Sorry, I saw kids from veterans.
Okay. So this time the mole goes on top
Yes, correct.
because it's mass to mole.
Yeah. Why are you canceling it out?
I'm not canceling it. We
Then?
just
That's right. You're right. There you go.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the given. So it's calcium SO4. And now it's find the molecular
How do you
weight.
find that?
So it's calcium. There's
Correct.
only one.
Yeah.
It's like how much is it? Well, the mass of calcium is 40.
It's 40, but you gotta double check.
Oh,
Where
yeah.
is it? Where is it?
It's right there.
40. You're
Yeah.
right. 40. It's always good to double check.
Okay.
You know,
So
always
now,
good. Your grain
sulfur-
depends on it.
Sulfur, there's one and it's 32, correct?
Where is it? Sulfur.
Right there,
Where is it?
32.
32.
So it's 32.
32. Remember, multiplying, you gotta use that calculator. You gotta use it.
And oxygen, oh yeah.
There we go. Cool stuff.
Okay, so there's
Oxygen.
4 oxygen.
Yeah. Times the mass of the element, which
Yeah,
is
16.
16. Double check. Double
Oh.
check. 16. There we go.
Now it's 4 times 16.
Equals.
Oh, frick.
Don't worry. No rush. No rush.
64.
Now, what do you do with all these you got?
You add them.
You add them to get what?
Molecular weight.
Correct.
So
To
the
get
molecular
weight.
weight is
One.
136 grams per mole
Correct. Now where do you put that number?
on the bottle.
On the bottom. Correct.
So it's 136 grams per calcium.
Correct. You put what's given. Now what do?
Multiply across.
Yes, you multiply.
Cancel.
Correct. You cancel.
Multiply across. It's 100.
100.
So now it's 100 divided by 136.
Yeah. Remember, you gotta move the decimal. Yeah, you move the decimal.
No, you don't.
You have to
I think
move
you're
it.
wrong.
No, you
Okay,
have to
no,
move it.
it's so the answer is 0.74 moles
Wait.
of
Oh, I thought it was a decimal. Oh, my bad. Sorry.
So,
Sorry.
or-
Sorry. Sorry, I forgot my glasses.
so like that's my answer.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. All right. So you have two answers again, which
Oh, yeah.
is your
Molecular weight,
and
the answer.
correct. You are
We're done.
correct. We are done. It was good, teaching you molar equations. So good.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. I'll see you at rehearsal tomorrow.